Good morning. I'm sitting in my backyard behind the Wissahickon Middle School, and it's 6 a.m. and the chiller has kicked on, and it runs every day from 6 to about 7 p.m. In the evening, and it's just extremely loud, and it's a shame because it really has ruined what is a really peaceful area for many of our neighbors, not only along Montgomery Road, but surrounding areas, the apartments in the meadows and other areas too. It really is super loud and hazardous. I think especially to kids who obviously are here during the school year and then are also doing summer camps and are out on the field. I see them. As you walk closer to it, it's just extremely loud, and I'm pretty far back, and despite all the trees and foliage, it still makes its way through. So we're just really hoping that the school will listen to us. We've suggested a lot of, I think, thoughtful ideas to remedy the situation. One of the easiest being perhaps to just limit the time that the chiller's on. I'm not sure it's really necessary to have it kick on at 6 a.m. and run to 7 p.m. every night, when really it doesn't seem that anybody's there for most of that time. I know there are probably people where custodial staff that are there, but for a lot of time we've walked over there, there's not a car in the parking lot. Thanks for listening to this video, and we really appreciate you giving this some further consideration.